Alright, hey guys, so we're picking up from where we left off in the last video. Um so you guys remember in the last video I explained to you guys like a lot of the filters that I use, like what you could be on the lookout for. And I'm doing these back to back. This is probably gonna be like a 30-minute video, like if I did not have a limit, but I just realized that like I can upload videos that are like 16 minutes long now, so I don't know if like the limit has been removed. I don't know. I really hope it has, because honestly the limit is just dumb. It's just really dumb. Especially for some people who want to upload like hour-long videos cost me. Oh frick, I'm gonna miss it. Ah frick, those aren't snipes. Dang it! Oh, you know what? I don't know. I just screwed up so bad. Guys, you can call me dumb. You can call me dumb as crap now. You can call me high on crack. Cause honestly, that was the dumbest mistake I've ever made. I might do that elite player exchange. See what I can get. Hopefully, EA comes in the clutch. You know what? Those two buys weren't really that bad, though. They weren't that bad because like the Paul Pierce and the John Stockton kind of cancels it out. But guys, you can call me stupid as heck now. All right, so I'm gonna do a elite player exchange. I'm gonna cover up the screen. So now I'm gonna look away. I know if it opened because I can see the light off my finger. So 3, 2, 1. Same guy I got the last time. It's okay. It's okay. Because if all fails, I can put him into my team. That was the dumbest mistake I've ever made in my life. I swear. And I made dumber mistakes. Crap. I should be paying. Guys, comment hashtag killer is a freaking idiot in the comments, please. Just please do that. Cause I thought those were like 20k. Cause that's usually a drop, like 20k elite players. But no, they were freaking 30k. I'm dumb. I'm dumb as heck. I'm freaking dumb. Just guys, sometimes this just proves that sometimes even great snipers or decent snipers. Oh, okay, I'm getting cocky now. Like a decent sniper like myself or any of the other better snipers can screw up big time. Oh man, I hate myself for that one. Oh man. I'm gonna have to make it up real fast. I should have kept refreshing because liquid dropped. 2 Kyle Lowrys. Houston Lowry is looking at Raptors Lowry like, who are you looking at? And you're like, nobody. I should have went for that Hibbert. At least that Hibbert would have been a pretty decent snipe. Oh god. Oh shoot. I'm telling you guys, man, I'm tired. Come on. I don't use my thumb for this. Alright, come on. Should not screw my thumb. Cause it's hard to see what I'm tapping. I need to tap faster, come on. Oh, perfect. What? Oh, come on, guys. I scrolled really fast on that one. Come on, man. Yo, they be cheesing. They be cheesing me. So the round dropped on the legend collectibles. Come on, the legend collectibles. And I'm gonna go for the 90+ legends, and yeah, let's see what happens. Still cannot believe I did that. That was like the dumbest mistake ever made by a human being ever. See, that just proves how much of the auction house I actually know. Like, come on. No, I'm not gonna buy you, Gary Payne. I'm sorry, Gary, but you ain't what I'm looking for, fam. That Scotty Pippen is not a snipe, so do not tell me, guys, that it's a snipe. Wait, Nikola dropped? I don't trust that. Hold up. This Nikola Jokic just dropped. I don't believe that one bit, but you know what? Search Nikola. I knew it. 499? I get, well, it's a decent sniper. Because I don't want to risk it not selling. That's the thing. Sorry about that. I have to take a nap after this video, actually. Because I'm tired as frick. I'm tired of this crap right now. I think I just made. I have to use my middle finger to tap. The reason why I use the middle finger to tap is because, like, it feels a lot more relaxing, like, on my hand. Especially when it's in an awkward position. And plus my middle finger tends to tap a lot faster. It doesn't tap as fast right now, but like later on, like when it's like fully pumped, like with energy, it just like goes fast as heck. Like I think it goes like twice as fast as it is right now. I don't know. It goes something like that. Like, keep tapping, keep tapping. Let's get that. Yeah, okay, see? There we go. That's better, that's better. At least I hope. That Tim Duncan feature yours is actually pretty good. Let me screenshot that. See, okay, so that makes up for it. At least, yeah. Because that Tim Duncan console sells for like 135k sometimes. Because like of people trying to build Tim Duncan. Alright, so first let's see how what Shabazz's price is. Shabazz Napier. Oh wow. I should know, like, still not bad. See 55k. See 55k. 54.5. 48. Still not bad. Like 20k snipe. It's still not bad though. Like 47999. 4799998. You see? So that's pretty decent. So let's see, let's put it up for 45k. That should sell decently quick. Anytime that happens, I have to close on the app and then immediately tap it again, then get back into the app. Okay, so let's see how much a year goes for. Whoa. So about 175k. Yo, that's a great snipe. Here's the thing about like sniping legend collectibles. If you get a good snipe, and like the cheapest. Hold up. Okay, there we go. And the cheapest like up is like 188. Predict how much it would go for, and then go 10k less. That's my strat, at least. But you guys think that Shabazz Napier was a good move? Let me know in the comments section. It would have been so awkward if that was John Wall. Cause John Wall and DeMarcus Cousins play in the same college, I think. Yeah. They were both from Kentucky University, I think. I don't know. It was some college in Kentucky. I actually heard like rumors, like I think during the NBA season, that DeMarcus Cousins would want to go to the Washington Wizards. Like, it makes sense. Like, you want to play with your best friend. Like, I get it. I get it. I'm gonna hit this sniping round and then and end this video off. And then I'm gonna record part 4 tomorrow at 9 a.m. Actually, no, probably like 11 a.m. Or today, technically. My finger also taps faster when like I sense like that round dropping soon. Like, you see how fast it's tapping now? Oh, perfect. Nope. Nope. Frick. Okay, so search Legends for 9.5. So let's see. See if anything good dropped. Going 17 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go back just to see if I miss anything. Why do people post Kevin McHale collectibles these days? Like, no one even wants Kevin McHale collectibles. Alright, so I'm gonna end it in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please forgive me for that dumb mistake I made earlier, and Killer out. Peace.